Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning all my dear student of 10th standard. Children, I have already made two videos on this lesson, A Triumph of Surgery. We have seen that Tricky was a small little dog. He is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. And what happens then? He falls seriously ill. So, when he fell ill, Mr. Heriot, who is the narrator of the story, as well as the veterinary surgeon, he took him to his surgery and kept him under observation for a fortnight. Let us see how does he do there. Does he recover well very soon, or is it difficult for him to get well soon? So let us see what happens. So, as soon as they reached the surgery, I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dog slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So, children, what is the meaning of whimper? Whimper means make a series of low, feeble sounds. So, what has happened here, children? When as soon as they reached the hospital, all the other dogs gathered around the doctor, and Tricky looked at all of them. And when the doctor put him down on the carpet, he could not even move. Now the other dogs then they came around him and they sniffed him and thought that he was not an interesting object, and that is why they left him all alone. Then the narrator made the bed for Tricky in a warm box along with the other dogs. Okay, so that he can feel little acquainted with the surroundings. For 2 days, the narrator kept him just on water and nothing else. And on the second day, he roamed around looking at the place around him. And on the third day, he was also making noise to let the people in the hospital know that he too wanted to go out with the other dogs. Now, here, when I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Engulfed here means covered by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with the surplus fat. Beta, what is surplus? Excessive. So, when the doctor opened the door after hearing his whimpering sound, when the narrator opened the door, Tricky quickly came out and was surrounded by Joe, who was a greyhound breed dog, and his friends too. When the narrator opened the door, okay, so they all, surrounded Tricky. Again, after sniffing him for a moment, all of them left for the garden where Tricky followed them later in the evening. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Liable means likely to do. Okay, beta, what is liable? Likely. So, that evening, narrator was present at the dinner time and was watching all of them, especially Tristan, as he was slopping the food. All of them were eating with great speed because they knew that if they did not finish quickly, then the other dog, after finishing their meal, would come to eat his meal. So they all started eating very fast. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. So, here we see that that day he did not knew the system that for eating they should all hurry, or else they would be left hungry. So, when everybody finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining bowls and also licked a few bowls. Why did he lick the few bowls? Because he was hungry, and before he could eat anything, everybody else had eaten up the whole food. So, the very next day, an extra ball was put for him. Extra ball was put for him. Okay. And the narrator was happy to see him running towards his bowl next day. Okay. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment uh, of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled, friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang. Unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. So they all used to play with each other now. They used to bump on each other and walk over each other and squash each other. And Tricky did not require any medicine and started playing with the other dogs the whole day. Now Tricky had become one of the accepted member of the family of the group of dogs. Although he was very different from others, as he was very well taken care of by his owner, and the others were not. He also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs, who were much larger in size than him. At night, he would also hunt rats in the hen house. He was enjoying as he had never done such things before. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. But our latest bulletins means latest news. Okay, I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky strength for a happy period. My partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. So बेटा अब क्या हुआ? यहाँ पर नरेटर हमें ये बता रहे हैं दैट ऑल दिस वाइल जब ये सारी ट्रीटमेंट चल रही थी ट्रिकी की, ही मिसेस पम्फ्रे यूज टू कॉल मोर देन 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. Mr. Heriot used to avoid questions about the coats, beds, etc. But he told her that Tricky was really doing very well and he was recovering fast. Mrs. Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover fast. She started sending 2 dozen eggs every day for him. But Mr. Heriot and his partners, what were they doing? They would have 2 eggs each for breakfast because Tricky was on proper diet and he cannot be given 24 eggs a day, right? So to not to give him too much food, now how can they utilize these 2 dozens of eggs every day? So Mr. Heriot and his partners were having 2 eggs every day for their breakfast. Now that was not all. When Mr. Heriot told Mrs. Pumphrey about Tricky is recovering very fast, then she cannot control herself and she started sending wine for Tricky. Now, why was she sending wine? To improve the quality of Tricky's blood. So then it became Mr. Heriot's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and many along along the lunch. Here. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirits was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. Beta reverently का meaning होता है with respect. They were days of deep content. Content means satisfaction. So, deep satisfaction. Starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation. Better temptation ka meaning hai desire. So, it was a desire to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है बेटा? uh, Here, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy now, and at that time, Mr. Heriot was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give uh, Tricky a brandy. Then they shared it amongst themselves because brandy cannot be given to a dog. Some days, Mr. Heriot used to feel very happy as he would start his day with extra eggs. Then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. Now, because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Heriot was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest. So, he really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. But then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. After 15 days, Tricky was ready to go back home, and Mr. Heriot called up Mrs. Pumphrey to come and collect Tricky. Okay, so when he gave a call to Mrs. Pumphrey, now within a few minutes, let us read here. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Heriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Yes, he is fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round in the lawn, and in their midst, midst, midst mean in the middle of, ears flapping, tails waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe. Lithe means strong muscle, thin and strong. Hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. Pack means group of dogs here. Stretching out in great bounds, the chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open when Tricky saw his mistress. He took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Beta chauffeur ka meaning hota hai driver. She gave a startled means shocked, ooh, and then defend herself as he swarmed. Swarmed का मतलब होता है very quick jumps. वो उनकी गोदी में आके कूदने लगा. Licking her face and barking barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. बेटा leaned का मतलब है बाहर की तरफ झुकना. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Trembled means shivered. Oh, Mr. Heriot, she cried. How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. So here we see, children, that within a few minutes, a long black shining car came outside the surgery. Now, when the chauffeur opened the door, Mrs. Pumphrey was sitting inside, and she was really nervous as well as excited. She was asking with a nervousness in her voice, that was Tricky really better? To which the doctor replied positively. Then Mr. Heriot went inside to get Tricky. Now, when Mr. Heriot went to get Tricky, he was in the garden in the middle of the group, and Tricky was sitting between them. He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Heriot took Tricky to the front of the house, he saw that the chauffeur was still holding the door of the car. And as soon as Tricky saw his mother like mistress, what has happened? He was overjoyed. So he ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started licking her face, barking in excitement. And while all this was happening, the chauffeur and Mr. Heriot got all his stuff out to the car which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. Now, when Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and said to Mr. Heriot, with tears of joy in her eyes, that she could not thank him enough for what he had done. And there is a last sentence. This is a triumph of surgery. What does it mean, children? It meant that the treatment that was given to Tricky had been a successful one. I hope you would like this story. You must have enjoyed the story. But still, if at any point you find yourself confused, do let me know in the comment section below. Take care of your health, children. Stay at home and stay safe. Good day.